To make this drink, you will need 50 ml of Johnnie Walker Black Label, 20 ml of lemon juice, 20 ml of honey and ginger syrup, and 10 to 15 ml of Ardbeg 10. You will also need a shaker tin, a hawthorne strainer, a fine strainer, a jigger, a citrus press, and some good quality ice. So into your tin, you want to put 50 ml of the Johnnie Walker Black Label, 20 ml of your freshly squeezed lemon juice, 20 ml of the honey and ginger syrup. Take the small part of your shaker tin and fill it entirely with ice. Shake as hard as you can until the shaker tin gets all nice and frosty. Pop your tins open. Pull a chilled glass out of the fridge. If you have a big block of ice, that's great. Otherwise, the best ice that you have. Use the hawthorne strainer to hold the ice back and then pour the drink out through the fine strainer. Now with the Ardbeg, we just want to float it on top. So a good way of doing that is to pour it over the back of a bar spoon. About 10 to 15 mils. If you like smoky whiskey, then go for your life and pop a little bit more in there. This drink is delicious completely ungarnished, but if you do have some little candied gingers, pop them on a skewer and pop them on the top.